A manufacturing defect may be to blame for an issue potentially impacting some 88,000 Harley-Davidson motorcycles. Reports suggest that removing the dipsticks to check the motorcycle's oil has been linked to a nasty surprise: spraying oil. According to the NHTSA, the issue stems from a design problem where bikes equipped with an airbox baseplate have a breather port that may be blocked. This allows pressure to build up inside the crankcase with nowhere to go, until the pressure is released after the dipstick is withdrawn. Carscoops described it as akin to shaking up a bottle of Coke and then uncapping the lid. The Wisconsin-based company has recalled 9 different models for this possible issue and is also reportedly aware of an incident where a dealer technician was injured by spraying oil while working on one of its bikes. The quickest fix is related to awareness. If technicians and bike owners can release the built-up pressure slowly, they can prevent the Coke bottle effect from occurring. Even better, owners of the motorcycle should bring in their recalled bike for a free repair of the blockage if necessary. Carscoops says Harley's own investigation uncovered 192 reports involving blocked breather ports. Of these, just over a dozen resulted in the oil discharge. Harley's North American sales rose 14% in Q1 of 2026, and new CEO Artie Starrs said the company was pleased with the results. Still, the company's profits plunged 81% year over year, an outcome attributed to tariff costs, higher sales incentives, and unfavorable product mix. Last month, Harley also unveiled a new strategic plan, Back to Bricks, with the goal of adding more affordable models, gaining market share, and improving its operating efficiency. I'm Anna Wells. This is Manufacturing Now.